What's happening, guys? It's the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, coming at you guys with another trade breakdown, going over the trade that I took today, the only trade I took today, how I was able to become profitable, exactly my mindset and what my thinking was, the strategy that I took, and all that good stuff. So let's get right into it. So today I took a trade on an options contract on AMD for the break of the high of day. But first I'm going to be going over the S&P and the move that I saw on the SPY, which led me to the AMD trade. Okay, so first things first, we had a big run up in the pre-market on the SPY, and we set this pre-market high here. So when the market opened, we had a little bit of down pressure to try to move lower, and we did go down a little bit before going back up. And we were so bullish, I had a few alerts set to when we got close to the high of day and also above it. So I want you guys to pay close attention to the timing of when we broke over this high of day here. So we went down, and we start getting back over the pre-market high day. Right at 9:40 a.m., 9:41 a.m. is when we're breaking out. Okay, so I have alerts set on that, letting me know when I'm going up and if the S&P is still going up. So if I take a look at AMD here, we actually had the very same move, and I'm going to zoom in and show you guys at the same time here. 940, 941. We're breaking out above this high of day. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this price level for you guys, the pre-market high. There we go. So as you can see, we had a very similar move with this push up and then a pull back down, and then we started breaking out here. So I got into this position right on this green candlestick right here as we broke above the high of day. Now, as I bought this, I also was having alerts go off on SPY, letting me know that the SPY was following through and also going above the pre-market high day. So that was basically to confirm that we weren't just having a double top here and going to reverse, just confirming that we were bullish here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my trade now. As you can see, I got in at 940 with on AMD, and I got in at $1.17 per contract. Now I made about 20% on this trade today, so I got out at $1.37, 20 cents higher on about a $1 contract, so that is about 20% profit here, and I got out at 943. So let's go ahead and go back to the chart here and see where I exited. 943 is going to be right at this very top here, guys. So I nailed the top today. Nothing I'm really trying to brag about, just the fact that I knew exactly what was happening. I waited for the perfect time to sell, and that's exactly what I feel I did. I got it at the perfect time and a very good price to get that 20% today. But the real thing that you should take away from this video is the trading above the high of day, that breakout there. It's very important to learn this type of pattern. Some will call it a cup and handle pattern. Some will call it an ABCD pattern. Some will call it the pullback pattern, whatever you guys want to call it. This is a very important pattern to learn, this type of breakout above the highs. Very important to learn this type of pattern. And as you can see, it's very prominent. So it happened on S&P and it led into AMD, which led into a very good trade for me. And I also just want to let you guys know how important it is to be keeping an eye on the S&P, because a lot of the or at least the way I trade, the stocks that I'm trading are all in the S&P, so they're going to follow very similar to what the S&P is doing, and that's why I have so many alerts set to know exactly what's going on the SPY while I'm trading AMD. I'm going to say something that I said to my chat room earlier is, I wish I had a better trading setup, because if I had multiple monitors and a better trading setup, I would have taken a trade on the SPY as well as a trade on the AMD at the same time, and I probably would have made 40% profit today instead of 20%. But like I mentioned about my trade room, I just want to show you guys my Discord name here. So if you want to go ahead and add me, the Stock Guru, go ahead and add me on Discord and shoot me a DM asking about the private group, and I'll send you an invitation to the chat room. It's just a bunch of like-minded traders, and we all share our trade ideas and our opinions on the market. So it's definitely a very positive place for people that are learning or also experienced traders. We have a lot of experienced traders in there, and we all really just like to share our ideas, and it's a good place to be if you're trading. So go ahead and add me on there. Shoot me a direct message, and if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on my channel below. I've got a lot more videos like this one, so I will see you guys in the next one.